Abu Salama, may Allah be pleased with him, narrates that when I inquired from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha about the night prayers of Prophet Mohammad S.A.W. during the month of Ramadan, she mentioned that the Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. used to pray no more than 11 rakats, whether it was Ramadan or outside of Ramadan. Initially, he would pray 4 rakats, and you shouldn't ask about their beauty and length. Afterwards, he would pray another 4 rakats, and you shouldn't ask about their beauty and length. Then he would pray 3 rakats of witr. Once I asked, O Messenger of Allah, do you go to sleep before praying witr? The Prophet Muhammad S.A.W. replied, Aisha, my eyes sleep, but my heart doesn't. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23351.